What's up, guys? This is Aaron from Twins Garage, and we got Alex here.
What up?
We just got done hunting, so now we're gonna work on the Subaru. Our buddy Josh is on his way over to work on his Evo, and so sounds like that he's here right now. So
Josh just blew his tire in the Volkswagen.
oh, now we get to throw his winters on the side of the road.
On the side of the road. Actually, they all gotta come out.
Well, why not just change all of them here?
No, I gotta get my jack.
We're on our way to buy a new jack too.
So we can change that.
Okay, guys, I just got home. Alex had to leave, and Josh left as well. We spent pretty much the whole time with his flat tire. Well, actually, we didn't have any of the tools to get the wheels off that we needed, and so we had to walk 4 miles back to my house to get what we needed and then drive to his car. By the time we did all that, you know, everyone had to leave. It was late, so I'm gonna do a little bit to the Subaru tomorrow, body work wise, and Josh is gonna come over and finish putting his front end back on the Evo, and then I'll probably wrap up this video. I know that I didn't do a whole lot this week. I got really busy. I worked, but next week, other than some family dinners, I'll have 4 days off from work, so hopefully I can get some footage next week of doing some more to the Subaru. Gonna try to get the Civic pushed out tomorrow. If not, it will be next week for sure. So
Working on getting Josh's
fender thingy bobbers on.
But he ordered the wrong size clips, so we're gonna have to wait till next week on that because he's gone for work for the week.
There's one of them sitting in the chair over there. And we finally got the Civic moved outside and covered by a tarp. So we're gonna wait till the spring to finish that. The dude that was supposed to buy this engine backed out, so now I have a D16 sitting here for sale that runs if anybody wants it. Got a big old mess I gotta clean up. And then I'm gonna get probably move the Subaru here and put the Evo where the Subaru's at. We were gonna bring the RX-7 here, but not quite sure if that's gonna happen or when it's gonna happen. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'm going to end this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It's just a small, quick video. We didn't do a whole lot this week. This upcoming week, we're not going to be doing much either. Got Thanksgiving coming up, so we aren't planning on doing a whole lot. So hopefully we will have time to get a little bit of footage in for that Tuesday, but we may not. I may just skip over that Tuesday and upload a video the Tuesday after, but we'll see what happens. So to recap on the video, we did a little bit of more body work to the Subaru. We got the Civic moved out, which is gonna go over there. We did a little bit to the Evo, got the front end bit put back on. Now we're working on the wheel well liners, which will probably be next weekend, so we may get a little footage from that, but if it's not enough, I'm not gonna bother on making a video. I was thinking about stopping over to Alex's garage and checking out the RX-7. I haven't seen it in about 6-7 months, so I may help him work on that. We'll try to get that running. I'm really wanting to bring it over here so I can have more time with it, but it being winter, I need that far bay to be able to park in so I don't have to, you know, wipe the car off. So we're moving the Evo where the Subaru's at and moving the Subaru where the Civic was. But come spring, the RX-7 is definitely going to be here when I don't have to park in the garage anymore. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Links to our Instagram and Facebook page and the Slipping Clutch page in the description below. Please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you.